Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to say recently uninstalled apps in Play Store. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To initiate the process, launch the App Store and identify the profile icon positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Once located, proceed to access the Manage Apps on Devices option and then select Manage. This crucial step will reveal an extensive list encompassing a diverse array of applications. If you haven't uninstalled these apps yet, continue by navigating to the Installed section. Within this section, you'll encounter options that categorize both installed and uninstalled apps. The latter category provides visibility into all the deleted apps or games that have been uninstalled from your Android phone. For a detailed overview of recently deleted apps or games, simply tap on the app's name and select the recently added option. This intuitive step will display a comprehensive list of all the apps or games that you have recently removed from your Android device, offering you insight into your recent app management activities. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.